Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today we will talk about the Great British Pound, because there is really nothing interesting on the other currencies, EuroFX and Japanese yen. So on Japanese yen, yen is continuing to become strong against the USD, so our previous video research is still valid. Because besides we have talked about the Japanese yen only yesterday. About EuroFX, our previous video also is still valid, because the pressure is rising on the EuroFX. The bearish wedge on the 4-hour chart is still forming. So also we do not talk about the Great British Pound for the rather long time. So I decided to speak today about the Great British Pound. Okay, let's look at the daily chart first of all of Great British Pound. The daily trend is bullish. Also, our weekly trading plan suggested that market should make a shallow retracement to the previous highs, and also this is the weekly pivot point in this area, so that has happened, and then it should reach the 100% expansion from this ABC move. So market has accomplished this target. Look at this ABC bottom pattern. Market has reached 618 expansion and 100% expansion. Also, just above the market, the last Fibonacci resistance area from this swing, from this high to this low, 88% retracement that agrees with this target at 879. Okay. So from the support point of view, there are two nearest Fibonacci support on daily chart. First Fibonacci support 157.37, and just below this area Fibonacci conference support 156.45, 156.57. So this is really strong support. Besides, it's not too far from the previous highs at this point. Okay. So if market will retrace to the downside, I suppose that it should retrace to this area, or maybe to this area, but this will be a bit deep for the move to the upside, because this conference support already below 1618 target. So for the bullish perspective, this is not very nice, the retracement to the Fibonacci conference support. The next daily chart, 1618 expansion from this ABC move, 161.17. It's a bit far from right now and above the previous highs. On the lower time frames, there are some interesting patterns is forming right now, so let's talk about it. This is the 4-hour chart of Great British Pound. The trend is bearish, but it's not a big deal for us right now. This is the same ABC bottom pattern on the 4-hour chart. Market has hit right here 100% expansion, okay, and retraced to the downside. Look at this, although trend turns to the bearish side, but market stays in this pattern, in this consolidation. Well, in general, this is the diamond consolidation. It's very rare. You can meet it on the market. It's a bit rare pattern. So, and this is the reverse pattern, like a head and shoulders. It should lead to the strong move to the downside if market will break below this trend line. This is the side of this ramp. Okay. But this pattern is a bit tricky, and because if it will work, it will work perfectly. But if it will not, it will not at all. So it means that if market will break above this area, it can show some real strong move to the upside. Well, for today, or maybe even for today and tomorrow trading plan, we should look for some possible breakouts of upper trend line resistance or support trend line of this diamond pattern. So if we will see the breakout to the downside and this diamond reverse pattern will work well, I suppose that the nearest target of this retracement will be the first Fibonacci daily support level around 157.35 area. But we can't exclude the deeper retracement, as I said, even to the 156.40 daily conference support. but we can estimate the target more precise if this move to the downside will start. Let's see what we can expect if market will show the upper breakout of this diamond pattern, and we'll see the failure of this reverse pattern. This is the hourly chart of Great British Pound. This is the trend line, the upper border of this ramp. Okay, this is diamond. First of all, I just want to warn you. Look at this pattern A, B, C. Pay attention that this is just some problems with charting on my software, so this is not big deal. We'll high this around B point 158.67, although we can see the bar right here, so this is just a bit some back. Okay, this A, B, C, 618 target above the trend line, but it's below the previous high 158.57. So if market, the one of scenario can be that market can reach this target and returns back. This will be the upper breakout failure. Market just will accomplish this 618 expansion target ABC 618 and return back. And previous highs should hold because the target of this move below these highs. Okay, we can talk about the upper breakout only if market will break above the previous highs, above the 158.67 point. In this area, if this breakout will happen, then we can talk about this diamond failure, and let's estimate the target that market can reach in the scenario of upper breakout. First of all, we can see this nice butterfly. Look at this. Okay, left wing and possible right wing. The target of 127 butterfly sail will be here 159.36. This is the target of this possible butterfly if market will break above the previous highs. Okay, also look at this dash line. This is the weekly pivot resistance 1. So this is the relatively strong resistance area for the hourly chart, 127 target of this butterfly reverse pattern and weekly pivot resistance 1. Also market can accomplish just this target 159.11. This is the ABC bottom, 100% expansion from this move. Well, I suppose that we should take chips off the table in this area 159.11, 159.40, because the Great British Pound right now is a trading market, and I think that it's not a good idea to hold any long positions for the long time. Okay, this is the possible scenarios for the today or even maybe for tomorrow trading days. So I expect during the upper breakout we definitely should see the move above the previous highs, because market can show some breakout failure, only reaching the 618 expansion and completing this target and returns back to the body of the diamond. So we should see for the confirming of upper breakout move above the 158.67. The possible target 159.11, 159.40 areas. During the down breakout of this diamond pattern, if it will work perfectly, then possible targets the first Fibonacci support 157.35 or Fibonacci confidence support 156.40 area roughly. But if market will start move to the downside, we can estimate the targets more precise during this move. This is just the first beacons for the possible targets to the downside.